Hey guys, Chef Justin, and I'm here with another awesome recipe of Kid Chef. I have my Kid Chef here. Tegan. We're gonna do another fun recipe with you today. Today's recipe is a dessert. Do you like dessert?
Yeah.
Dessert's one of my favorites too. We are going to do the fudge recipe, and it's very, very simple. Few things that you'll need outside of your kit for this recipe are pan spray, a bowl that you can put in the microwave, a sheet pan or a baking pan, a piece of parchment paper. You can also use foil, and a rubber spatula. We have a Star Wars one because Star Wars is the best. First step is, do you know what the first step is?
I don't.
You don't know? First step is to spray the pan on the bottom. And then you take that piece of parchment and you put it in the pan and you stick it to the bottom.
After you put the parchment paper down, sprinkle almonds all over the parchment paper. Toast it in the oven for 5 minutes.
While your almonds are toasting, take the chocolate, put it in your microwave bowl. You're gonna microwave this for 20 seconds at a time and stir it after each time. Next steps, we're going to take the peanut butter, the maple syrup, and the avocado and put that in the food processor. So now let's make sure that whenever we're using a food processor or a blender, we're not putting our fingers inside. There's sharp blades in there. So kids, be careful. So easiest way to get an avocado out of its skin is by scooping it with a spoon. Pulse it until everything's mixed together. Next, add in 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of water. And your portion of cocoa powder. Give that a quick pulse until it's incorporated in the mix. Next comes the melted chocolate. So the chocolate we melted in the microwave now all goes in to your refrigerator fudge. Pulse it until everything's mixed together. Once your mixture's put together, get a spatula and put it on your parchment lined tray. Once it's all scraped out, spread it nice and smooth, and you can shape it with the spatula, smooth it out. It doesn't have to be a perfect square or anything. You're gonna take your almonds that you toasted in the oven and sprinkle them over top. You can give them a nice little pat down so they stick to the fudge, and you're all set, ready to go. So pop this in the fridge for about an hour and you'll be golden chocolatey goodness. Does it smell good? Super good. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching. It's a big yawn.